Hey, Daddy.
What do you want, Jeffy?
Can me and Pee-Pee Chuck go outside and play?
Sure, Jeffy. Just leave me alone. I'm taking a nap.
Okay, thanks, Daddy. Come on, Pee-Pee Chuck, let's go. All right, Mr. Pee-Pee Chuck, what game you want to play? Oh, I know. How about hide and seek? You count, now go high. Count to 10. No peeking, Pee-Pee Chuck. All right, Pee-Pee Chuck, I'm ready. I don't think Pee-Pee Chuck's ever gonna find me back here.
Hey, Mario! I was hoping we could get dinner or something tonight. Mario? Mario, wake up!
What?
Mario, do you want to get dinner tonight, maybe?
Yeah, sure. I gotta find a babysitter for Jeffy or something.
Oh, okay. Where is Jeffy?
Wait, he's not right next to me?
No.
Wait, is he in his room?
No, Mario.
Is he downstairs?
No, I don't think he's inside.
Oh, wait, I don't know where he could be. Wait. I remember him waking me up and asking to go outside.
Outside?
Outside!
Oh, no!
Let's go look for him.
Okay.
Jeffy!
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 Where's he at?
Mario.
What? Jeffy, what are you doing?
Shh, Daddy. Pee-Pee Chuck's trying to find me.
What? Pee-Pee Suck's trying to fight. Jeffy, what are you talking about? I don't see Pee-Pee Suck.
Damn it, Daddy! Now you gave away my hiding spot and Pee-Pee Chuck's gonna find me.
Jeffy, I don't know what you're talking about. Pee-Pee Suck's not outside. You brought him outside? You're not supposed to bring Pee-Pee Suck outside, Jeffy.
Well, Daddy, you told me I could bring him outside.
You did, Mario?
No, I must have been sleeping. I didn't say that. But Jeffy, I don't see Pee-Pee Suck. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't see Pee-Pee Chuck rolling around? He ran away, Daddy.
Jeffy, no, Jeffy, stop it. Jeffy, stop it. Jeffy, maybe he didn't run away. Maybe he's somewhere around here somewhere. Let's try to find him, okay? Come on, calm down. Let's try to find him.
Pee-Pee Chuck ran away.
Pee-Pee Suck!
Pee-Pee Suck!
Pee-Pee Suck!
Pee-Pee Chuck, you and you?
Jeffy, he's not in the mailbox.
What, Daddy? I thought he would be in you.
Oh, okay, maybe he's not outside. Maybe he went back inside, and maybe you never even brought him outside. Come on, let's look inside.
Okay.
Where is he?
We looked everywhere, Mario.
What? We didn't find Pee-Pee Chuck?
No, Jeffy, but maybe we'll find him. Jeffy, no. Let's look upstairs. How about that? Let's look upstairs. Jeffy, let's look upstairs. He might be upstairs.
Come on.
Do you guys see Pee-Pee Suck anywhere?
No, Mario.
That's it, Daddy. If you don't find Pee-Pee Chuck, I'm gonna pull my arm off.
Wait, what? Wait, Jeffy, stop that!
No, Daddy, it's coming off.
Mario.
What?
We should get Jeffy a new pet.
A new pet? I'm not getting him a new pet. His pet hamster ran away. Think about that for a second. His pet hamster. It's not a plastic ball.
Well, we could get him a dog.
A dog? If a hamster ran away, what makes you think a dog's not gonna run away?
It could be an inside dog.
His hamster was an inside hamster and he took it outside.
Oh, come on, Mario. Have a heart.
I have a heart. I gave him a hamster and I let him name it Pee-Pee Suck.
Mario, every boy needs a dog.
Daddy, I think I'm making progress. I heard a snap.
Fine. You can get him a dog.
Okay.
Just make sure it's a nice dog. Jeffy, stop that. Mommy's coming back with a surprise.
Is she gonna show me her hoo-hoos?
Hopefully this works.
Missing Pee-Pee Suck, huh? Well, I've been missing a Pee-Pee Suck ever since I got married. Cause my wife doesn't blow me anymore since we got married.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
I just recently got married.
Oh, well, I'm really sorry to hear that.
Well, anyway, officer, my son's pet hamster's missing. His name is Pee-Pee Suck.
His name is Pee-Pee Suck?
Yeah.
I wouldn't let you hang out with my kids.
Is there any way you can help us find him?
No, I don't look for lost animals, just lost people.
Oh.
But if I could give you some advice, though, like maybe put your contact information on the poster so people know how to contact you if they find the missing Pee-Pee Suck.
Oh, yeah, I didn't put a number on there.
And then maybe my wife will contact you so she can blow me.
Thanks for your help, officer. I guess I should add a phone number. Thanks.
Yeah, just doing my duty.
Hey, Mario.
Yeah?
I got the dog.
Wait, you got the dog?
Yeah.
Where's he at?
Right here. Isn't he cute, Mario?
What's wrong with him?
Oh, he's paralyzed.
Paralyzed?
Yeah, I got him from the shelter. He's a rescue.
Why didn't you buy him from the pet store like normal people do?
Oh, he needed a good home.
Yeah, like heaven. Get the gun.
That's rude, Mario. He's a really nice doggy.
He's paralyzed.
Yes, Mario, I did that on purpose so he can't run away.
I guess that makes sense. Jeffy, Mommy got you a dog.
Dang, that's my doggy?
Yeah, what are you gonna name him?
Shit ass.
Jeffy, you're not naming him shit ass.
Uh-oh, Mario, looks like someone made a poopy.
Oh, great, now he just lays there and just shits? What else did he do other than just lay there?
Oh, Mario, he's just a really good companion.
Hey, Daddy, can me and shit ass go for a walk?
Go for a walk.
Mario, it's good exercise. They could both use it.
Are you kidding me? He's paralyzed. How are you gonna take him for a walk?
Oh, Mario, just let them try it out.
Come on, shit ass, let's go for a walk.
Aw, that's just so sweet.
No, that's actually just messed up.
Oh, look, he made another poopy.
Yep, that's all he does is poop. That's all he does.
All right, Mario, I'm gonna get ready for our dinner later.
Okay. So, Jeffy, did you enjoy dragging your dog down the road?
Yeah, Daddy, I love shit ass so much.
Jeffy, stop calling him shit ass.
Do you think he knows any tricks?
Tricks? No, I don't think he knows any tricks.
Well, what about fetch, Daddy?
Fetch? I don't think he knows how to fetch, Jeffy.
Hey, shit ass, fetch.
Jeffy, he can't fetch. He's paralyzed.
Rolling over.
He can't roll over, Jeffy. He's paralyzed.
Stay.
Jeffy, he can't stay. Well, maybe he can stay.
Daddy, why is shit ass paralyzed?
He probably got ran over by a car. Cars. Multiple cars. Over and over again. His owner got rid of him.
Oh, who got rid of him, Daddy?
Maybe Michael Vick.
Oh.
Stop it! Oh, great, Jeffy. Now he pooped, Jeffy. Who's that? Jeffy, just play with your dog. I don't see who that is.
Okay, Daddy. I love you so much, shit ass.
Hello?
Hey there, look what I found. I found your pee-pee sock.
You found Pee-Pee Suck?
Yeah.
Well, where'd you find him at?
He was just rolling down the road. I had to pull him over for being cute in a not cute zone. No, I missed no pee-pee sock.
Well, I mean, Jeffy's gonna be so happy.
Yeah, I also had to arrest him for jay rolling. It's like jay walking, but he was rolling because he's in a hamster ball.
Oh, well, I mean, the thing is, officers, we just got Jeffy a dog, and I don't want to have too many pets, so, you know, Jeffy's already gotten over him, so
Oh.
I don't know what to do here.
Huh. Well, you know, I never had a pet.
What, you never had a pet?
No, I never did, and since my wife won't give me a pee-pee suck, maybe I could have this one.
Well, I mean, would you really want him?
Well, yeah, he'll be like my partner. Yeah, that'd be awesome. We could fight crime together.
I mean, yeah, sure, if you want him, you can have him then.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, come on, pee-pee suck. Let's go stop some crime.
Well, I mean, at least Pee-Pee Suck has a good home.
Got you, dirtbag. Now cuff him, pee-pee suck.